Hey everyone, welcome to UPSC Simplified by Anika. Climate change is no longer a future threat, it's a reality affecting our lives today. But how can we tackle this global challenge? In this video, we'll discuss the key measures to combat climate change and the way forward in a simple and easy to understand manner. So let's begin with the topic. Climate change is one of the most pressing global challenges of the 21st century. Addressing it requires a combination of reducing greenhouse gas emissions, increasing carbon absorption, adopting clean technologies, promoting sustainable development, and strengthening international cooperation. A coordinated effort by government, industries, communities, and individuals is essential to ensure a climate resilient and sustainable future. Now, here let's see what are the suggestions to combat climate change. So, the first one is promote renewable energy and energy efficiency. Dear students, a rapid transition from fossil fuel to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and bioenergy is essential for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. At the same time, improving energy efficiency in industries, buildings, transportation, and household can significantly lower energy consumption. Sustainable urban planning and the adoption of energy efficient technologies can further support the transition to a low carbon economy. Second one, enhance carbon sequestration and protect carbon sink. Increasing the capacity of natural and artificial carbon sink is an effective strategy to combat climate change. Forests, oceans, and soil naturally absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and help regulate the global climate. Protecting these ecosystems and investing in carbon capture and storage technologies can reduce the concentration of greenhouse gases and mitigate global warming. Third, strengthen afforestation, reforestation, and blue carbon conservation. Large-scale afforestation and reforestation programs can increase forest cover and enhance carbon absorption while also conserving biodiversity. In addition, coastal ecosystems such as mangroves, tidal marshes, and seagrass beds play a crucial role in storing carbon, known as blue carbon. Protecting and restoring these ecosystems can contribute significantly to climate mitigation and coastal resilience. Fourth one, encouraging market-based climate solution. Economic instruments such as carbon credit and carbon taxes can motivate industries to reduce emissions. Carbon credit mechanisms reward organizations that emit less carbon than the permitted level, while carbon taxes discourage excessive use of fossil fuels by increasing their cost. These market-based approaches encourage innovation and investment in cleaner technologies. Another one, promote sustainable agriculture and green transportation. So, dear students, agriculture and transport are major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Climate resilient farming practices, efficient water management, and sustainable land use strategies can make agriculture more environmental friendly. Similarly, promoting public transportation like cycling, walking, and electric vehicles can reduce dependence on fossil fuels and lower emissions from the transport sector. And lastly, increase public awareness and participation. Public awareness and behavioral changes are essential for effective climate action. Encouraging sustainable lifestyles, reducing waste, promoting recycling, and enhancing climate literacy can help individuals contribute to environmental protection. Greater people's participation in climate related initiatives can strengthen collective efforts to address climate change. Now, heading on to see what's the way forward. So, the first one is accelerate decarbonization and clean energy transition. The future course of climate action should focus on reducing emissions from hard to abate sectors such as steel, cement, aluminium, and transportation. Expanding the use of renewable energy sources, green hydrogen, and energy efficient technologies will be critical for achieving deep decarbonization and reducing the dependence on fossil fuels. Another one, strengthen climate monitoring and risk assessment. Government should expand climate observation network and improve monitoring system to track changes in sea levels, extreme weather events, and ecosystem health. Conducting detailed regional climate risk assessment will help identify vulnerable areas and support the development of region-specific adaptation and mitigation strategies. Another one, enhance forest and ecosystem restoration. Afforestation, reforestation, and ecosystem restoration should remain central to climate policy. Protecting forest, wetland, mangroves, and other biodiversity-rich ecosystem can increase carbon sequestration while improving ecological resilience and supporting local livelihood. Next one, promote international cooperation and climate finance. Dear students, as you know, climate change is a global challenge that requires collective action. Developed countries should provide financial assistance, technological support, and capacity building measures to developing countries. Strengthening international partnerships and ensuring access to climate finance will enable countries to implement effective mitigation and adaptation measures. Next one, uphold climate justice and sustainable development. Future climate policies should be guided by the principle of common but differentiated responsibilities, recognizing the historical responsibility of developed countries for greenhouse gas emissions. Climate action should be integrated into development planning to ensure that economic growth remains environmentally sustainable, socially inclusive, and climate resilient. And now, the last one, moving towards net zero emissions. Achieving net zero emissions should be the long-term goal of all countries. This requires balancing greenhouse gas emissions through emission reductions, renewable energy adoption, enhanced carbon sinks, and innovative carbon removal technologies. A comprehensive and sustained effort is necessary to limit global warming and secure a sustainable future for future generations. And now, to conclude, we can say combating climate change requires a balanced approach that combines clean energy, energy efficiency, ecosystem conservation, sustainable agriculture, green transportation, technological innovation, and international cooperation. The way forward lies in accelerating decarbonization, strengthening climate resilience, promoting climate justice, and encouraging people's participation to achieve sustainable and climate friendly development. And that's all from my side, dear students. If you have enjoyed learning with me, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, UPSC Simplified by Anika, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video. Thank you.